Hi, I'm Kenti Dimbwa, and I'm taking part of a campaign called Yellow Sunday. Yellow Sunday is a campaign designed to raise awareness and money in order to tackle various issues in the Congo. Now, the campaign is aiming to raise $1.2 million because that's the currency they use in the Congo, in order to help 1,000 Congolese women train as nurses. Now, how they're going to raise that money is by asking people like you and I to donate £10 or $10 or €10, whichever currency you're using, towards this cause. Now, in order to spread awareness all over the world, we're going to ask people to wear yellow on the 18th of June 2017, to take a picture wearing something yellow, post it all over social media, hashtagging Yellow Sunday. Now join me because I'm doing this. Thank you.